Hello students, myself Sadiq Ali, Senior Zoology Faculty, MS Education Academy, Hyderabad. Hello to all intermediate students. Board of Intermediate Telangana announced exam schedule for all the intermediate based exams. So I am going to enlighten you about the dates given by Board of Intermediate Education, Telangana State. For junior intermediate students, both for science and arts group, most important exam, most important announcement students, ethics and human values exam will be conducted on 4th March, timings 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. It is one day exam and center will be your own college where you are studying. Important exam students. Another important exam, environmental education examination. Students, environmental education examination, it will be conducted on 6th March, Monday. It is also one day exam. Timings 10 to 1 p.m. Most important information, these two exams must and should students for all junior intermediate students. Now coming to senior intermediate students, schedule is out for practical examinations, and very soon, within a couple of days, your hall tickets are also ready to be out, students. Please be in touch with your college. Please be in touch with your faculty and your principal of the college so that you will get information in advance and right information. Students, practical examinations for both general and vocational courses will be conducted from 15th of February, that is Wednesday, to 2nd March. These practicals will be conducted in two sessions, students. Forenoon morning session, timings will be 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And second session will be afternoon and timings will be 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Students, on your practical exam hall ticket, date of the exam, exam schedule like time, whether your exam is in morning or evening session will be clearly printed, students. Please observe carefully your hall ticket once you receive from your college people. Right. Now students, even your board exams, final exams timetable is out. For junior intermediate students, first exam will be on 15th March. So junior intermediate exams both for arts and science exams will be commencing from 15th of March, students. On 15th, second language. On 17th of March, English exam. On 20th, for science students, mathematics, botany, and for arts and commerce students, political science exam. On 23rd, Thursday, for science students, mathematics and mathematics 1B and zoology. For arts and commerce, history exam. On 25th, for science students, physics. For arts students, economics exam. On 28th, chemistry exam, and for commerce students it will be commerce. So that will be the end of exams for regular intermediate students. For bridge course and vocational, so the schedule is also out. On 31st, public administration, and for bridge course BPC students, mathematics exam. On 3rd of April, modern language paper 1 and geography paper 1. Students, for second year exams will be started from 16th of March. On 16th, second language. On 18th, Saturday, English paper 2. On 21st of March, Tuesday, mathematics 2A for MPC students, botany for BPC students, and for arts students, political science paper 2. On 24th of March, Friday, very clearly date and day is given, students. Please observe that carefully. Mathematics 2B, zoology and history. On 27th of March, Monday, physics, and for arts students, economics. On 29th of March, Wednesday, chemistry and commerce. And now for vocational students, exam will be there on 1st of April, public administration, and for bridge course students, paper 2. On 4th of April, Tuesday, modern language and geography students. Right. Students, for first year, that is junior intermediate students, hall ticket will be given for your ethics and values and environment exam. And please read carefully all the details and follow the instructions printed on hall ticket. And for more information, contact your subject faculty members, subject lecturers and your principal. Same like that for second year students, practical hall tickets will be given. Please read all the instructions carefully. Go through the dates, time, schedule, whether your exam is forenoon or afternoon. We will prepare one video on these practicals separately and will be posting on your groups of students. We will prepare how to perform, how to, we will give a revision of zoology practicals, botany practicals, physics practicals, chemistry practicals students. Soon we will be sending that video to you. And for both junior inter and senior inter students, very soon after the practical exams and after all these ethics and values exam, environment exam, and for senior intermediate students, practical exams, final exam hall ticket will be released. So be in touch with your college management, college administrative staff to inquire about the hall ticket. Thank you, students. Please go through all the schedules carefully and be attentive, prepare well for your intermediate exams. All the best, students.
MS Education Academy, preparing world-worthy individuals.